Hello YouTube, I Fix It All here, Team I Fix It All. So I'm going to set you guys up here and we're going to cut a round. I've got several rounds already cut. I've cut down a couple, 3 trees with this already. Got one back there. One right there. Got this one back here. Decent size. All my firewood cutting is done with this GREENWORKS for the past 2 winters or 3. I can't recall. But I'm working up some firewood. Clearing the sunshine on my garden is what I'm doing. So I'm strategizing which trees, selective cutting. But it's just a pretty amazing tool. I think if you are interested in something that's less maintenance, you should look into getting one of these. But I'm going to go through this probably 14 or 15 inch diameter log here, and you can see the speed of it. All you got to worry about is oil. And I've got 3 batteries. So with 3 batteries, it's hard to run out of battery. Here we go. I forgot to mention the chain is not new. It's been sharpened 2 or 3 times already. And they give you a bar that's shorter, and it's a skip tooth. But I got rid of that, and I'm running a Oregon chain and a 18-inch bar. Does just fine. And we're through. All right. Let's take a look at what we got. Getting dark on the phone. Not too shabby. And well, of course, all these other rounds get much bigger as you get closer to the butt log. But yeah, highly recommended. I've run 3 batteries in that one saw, and 3 batteries is plenty enough fuel for you. And you got to remember now, while you're cutting, you're going to be creating brush, so you're not going to be running your saw all the time. 30 minutes to recharge, and that's the way it is. So 30 minutes is not that long. Between all the with a big log like this, I could probably cut like 6 rounds this size on one battery, and go fetch another battery if I've got more rounds to cut. Go fetch another one if I got more rounds. But as this stuff gets smaller, the limbs and things, I swear it's almost impossible to run out of battery. So why bother with gas anymore? I think this tech here is top shelf. I highly recommend GREENWORKS. This is my 2nd video on GREENWORKS. They're 80 volt. And the only thing I had a problem with was their oiler in here. It's stationary. It stands up and down. It's like you get your maximum oil when your saw is in the vertical position. If you're in this position, you're still getting oil. But if you have to do anything else, like lean this away, and if you're low, you're not getting no oil. So there you go, guys. Have a good one. Listen to the peacefulness. I got a lot of wood to cut up, but life is good. We shall see ya.